All right, this is the easiest cushion that's gonna come through. Here's how you cover it. Most important step of the whole deal, use the film. It works. You can actually slide across the foam. So after you got it filmed, put your skin on there. I kind of just unfold it and put it on there normal and take a look at it with my eyes and make sure that it actually fits and that, like, you know, there's no holes or cuts or something on it. Like, actually look at it. Okay, I turn it upside down, I never look at it again. What I'm doing is I'm trying to get this bead nice and even against the table. That's all I'm doing. That's the only thing I'm looking at is that. I'm not looking at anything else. All right, so first we have to address this problem. That's from the foam shrinking. You can steam the foam and it'll pop out, but that's not what we're doing now. Dacron, and I'm just gonna leave it flat like this, try to bring it down to somewhere around the correct size. I'm leaving the hard side up towards the wood. I'm gonna stick the stuff here, and that's all I'm doing is that. And then just kind of massage it out with your hands, and you can get it near perfect. You're always gonna have a little bump there. I don't see any real way of getting rid of that. But look at the difference. Okay, now everybody's always asking about the staples. Look here, here's what we do. We cut the old thing off, then we put the new one past where the old one was. That's it. I don't see any reason please somebody explain to me the benefit of spending hours and hours cutting that thing off. and you can feel that lip with the gun. So all you do is put the gun against that lip and it gives you a straight natural line. Now around the inside corners, it's really important to relax it or you'll never get a natural shape. Okay, very important. Watch what I'm doing. When you're stretching the vinyl, if you just do this, all you're doing is collapsing that edge. What I'm doing is I'm pulling from here and then I'm just lifting that into place. Look at the difference. And again, I'm just keeping this gap right here. See how I got a gap? That's got to come down a little. All I'm doing is keeping this line consistent against the edge of the table. All right, now we got consistent staples all around. We take a razor knife and we do one of these numbers. That's how you make a cushion. It's really, really easy. Just line it up. All you're doing is putting essentially a box on top of a box. If you use the cornerstone, it'll feel great too. Don't forget, keep some wind in the sails of our pirate ship. Like, share, tell a friend, thank you, I love you.